on, guys? It's Jazzy, and today I'm here with dancehall artist Mr. Skillibeng.
Scope, I'm a clap. Some a gun sound, I'm a clap. Wap, 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 wap.
Mr. Bang, how you doing today?
I'm here, Jazzy. What's up? You good?
Yep, I'm great. So your music has grown popularity across the world. So how important was it for you to continue to represent dancehall culture on a global scale?
I mean, it's my number one priority as my nationality. Made me so much of a powerful person around the world musically. I mean, it's a very important thing for me, and I mean, anybody else would consider that as an important thing, you know, and it's not heavyweight, but it's just, I think it's just my duty to continue doing the same.
Right. That's definitely understandable, and it's very important to represent who you are and where you're from as well. And I know that dancehall music is very important to Jamaican culture and Jamaican music. I really like the way that you've been able, I find it great how you've been able to push the culture forward.
Yeah, and not everybody could do that, and you know, that's when you know you're a little bit special and different from everybody else, because you know, a lot of huge countries, you know, different countries from Jamaica, a lot of countries outside the Caribbean are really interested in Skillibeng, and you know, that's just the work being put in.
Right, you're being noticed from across the world, so that's really cool.
You too.
Thank you.
I've been waiting on this interview for a long time. I've been watching you on the internet, and it's been a great experience. Thank you for having me.